I'm so thankful for the opportunities I had through ESA Education and the ESA Academy.
I participated with the CubeSat team of Politecnico di Torino in the very first edition of a Flyer Satellite program.
I participated in the ESA Academy Concurrent Engineering Challenge.
I was part of the astronaut team that participated in the Bexus program.
I took part in the ESA Academy Experiments program. Our team Euroflight flew on a parabolic flight.
We participated in the Rexus program, where we flew an experiment on a sounding rocket.
So at universities, you mostly focus on theoretical studies, simulations, writing papers, so you miss a bit of the practical applications of the theory.
What I value most of the participation into the program was the possibility to turn theory into practice, putting hands on the hardware, of testing real processes.
With the Rexus program, you also get access to the ESA experts and engineers that can actually help you solve these complex problems as a student, where you're just trying things out.
One thing I learned during the program was how to lead people into delivering a complex mission.
We really learned a lot of soft skills on how to manage a project, how to choose your crew members, and got advice over the year from ESA Academy on how to perfect those skills. And that's really something that I took with me and that I still apply now.
I learned the importance of failure diagnostics as a way to improve the next mission that you go on to, and also the importance of writing good, robust requirements.
Most of all, it was putting us on the spot. It was giving us a very precious opportunity to discover facilities, to discover space centers and bases from where maybe in the future we would be working, and at the same time to understand how that works, how the professional worlds come together with the different space experts and what would be expected from us as professionals, not as students.
The ESA Academy unlocks so many opportunities and insights for me. First of all, I learned that Europe is a place that has great education and employment opportunities for those that want to pursue compelling space careers.
Having participated really helped my resume stand out and actually land my first job at the agency. When I applied, I could demonstrate that through the program, I had actually gained a better understanding of all of ESA's processes and also a general understanding of how a space mission is born, is developed, and is finally launched.
Thanks to ESA Academy, I already entered the workforce prepared. I was already aware of what to expect, and then of course I needed to grow into my role when I started, but that helped so much.
My ESA Academy experience was so foundational for my career. It gave me an awareness of the ecosystem across Europe and the world. It provided me with a network I still use today. I was granted the knowledge and the insights and real-world experiences of going through a project end to end.
So I already knew I wanted to become an engineer, but after that, there was no other choice for me, only space.